76 inches.
There is no joke about this. Someone is going to get hurt, the other is going to get embarrassed. Let's make sure they measure up well.
Oleksandr Usyk, the former undisputed cruiserweight champion and heavyweight champion of the world, fighting out of Ukraine. Jake Paul, fighting out of Cleveland, Ohio, currently residing in Dorado, Puerto Rico.
Oh, pure bad blood.
And with that, we turn it over to the world-renowned ring announcer, Jimmy Lennon Jr.
This bout is scheduled for 8 rounds of boxing. Fighting out of the red corner, here is the Olympic gold medalist from Ukraine, an undisputed cruiserweight world champion, and a unified heavyweight champion of the world, Oleksandr Usyk. Fighting out of the blue corner, from Cleveland, Ohio in the United States, here is the battle-ready cruiserweight and popular social media superstar, introducing the problem child, Jake Paul.
So much hype surrounding this fight, and now it is go time.
Words are cheap. It's the action that says it all. We'll find out when the first bell goes.
No doubt about it. Town by a country mile. Every seat has been sold. High hopes for this battle between these two athletes. Which one of these athletes is going to be the first to go down? They stopped the hook there. So much pre-hype surrounding this fight, the fans are on the edge of their seats.
This is not just hype. We are in for something special tonight. What an arena, what an atmosphere, what a build-up.
How did he absorb that hook? Nice looking right hook, but he blocked it. Can they figure out the combination to... Did you see that? What a massive upset this would be. Disaster. Pull it right there. The building is going, but Jake Paul goes down. One punch did the trick. Let's see it again in slow.
Gods, they say. A shot from the gods. One, two, three, four, five. You still want to fight?
The referee deems they can continue, but this might be a big mistake.
He's got to waste time. Get step behind the referee. When he comes close, tie him up. The referee's then got to...
Looks like he's going to survive the round here, but just barely. Let's talk about Jake Paul in that last round. You've got to wonder... Here we go. It's round 2. He couldn't finish him off in the last round. Let's see what this has in store for us.
What a hell. How are they going to come back from that? They've staggered back to the corner. They've got to freshen them up, alert them again, get them back on point again. This round, they've got to coast around. Don't get involved. Give yourself another 3 minutes to get your head clear.
Sometimes when you're fighting a counter fighter, the rounds can get a little boring. You get trigger shy because you know if you throw a punch, one is coming right back at you.
Counter punch is my favorite kind of fighter. A good counter-puncher, they're the people that make the history of our sport.
Stiff jab. This is one of the best rounds I've seen this year. Some real good back and forth between these two fighters.
Skill for skill, tap for tap. Just like a match made in heaven.
If you're a counter puncher, then basically you do the counter attack. You let them get their punch off first, and then you answer in kind.
They have got great ring IQ. Counter punchers are the best.
Needs to put some combination work together. One punch is good, two punches better. And is this the beginning of the end? A nightmare start to this fight. Hold that thought! And Jake Paul will have to go to the canvas. And you can see here his face basically melts into his glove, and down he goes.
Where did that come from? What a shot!
One, two, three, four, five, six. Can you continue?
Talk about Jake Paul in that last round. He's been knocked down, but at least not knocked out yet.
Loved the response though, got back up, took a deep breath and thought, right, brush it off, get on with the job.
Back up to fight that round. I need you to switch.
Keep him on the end of that jab and you're getting your time in already. That right hand's beautiful.
Up there and win the round. You got complacent. The fight's not...
Good work. Keep going. Now, don't want you to load up. Don't be looking for that one shot or anything. You set him up and you'll take him out. Look, he's ready to go. He's got...
Take that confidence away. Go out in the first minute. Stick him on the end of a...
Coast through this round or he'll ride it out. Go out there and finish him.
That confidence. Stop him in his tracks. Don't worry about that round. Don't worry about it.
And there's the bell to start round three. They really got banged up last round. What can they do here to change the momentum?
What a knockdown. 1 minute, you need 1 hour to get over a shot like that. Now it's down to conditioning. Now it's down to mental.
Oh, hold on a second, Johnny. And Jake Paul couldn't handle any more of it. I think that will look even more dramatic in slow motion.
A shot from the gods took him out.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. You're out.
It happened. You saw it here live. A knockout win. Congratulations.
A knockout victory. That's not a knockout victory. That is somebody saying, I'm here. I've arrived. Try that again. It will happen all over again.